this.
Is he eating you too?
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, she expects treats. This is a horse that expects to be treated. Hey, Quinn.
Kisses? Kisses! Everybody loves you. Quinn loves Wowie. I love Ezra.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Spoiled. We're spoiled kid. We're a spoiled 10-year-old kid.
You getting jealous?
But that's means giving attention.
I know. I know. I got that.
This wood, the reason that they don't have any nails in it, it's too hard a hardwood for nails.
Oh, wow.
They grow it. It's an African wood of some sort or another. That's why it's all bolted and slotted. Nice. You're great.
Hey, sexy.
Are you still videoing?
I am.
Oh, cool. Not you, dude.
What's that?
Oh, I'm whistling, but not you. No, thanks. Not that you weren't fine. Not you, you're fine.
It's nice out there, isn't it?
It's gorgeous out there. This is my kind of fall. Like where it's nice and cool in the mornings and t-shirt weather during the day. It's just that.
It's gonna be a good year for the color.
Yep. Can we help you with anything?
No, I'm good, man.
Okay.
I'm headed there.
Cool. Hey. This one loves attention. Now that she's done eating, doesn't like to be ignored.
I can see that. Like a woman.
Is there a horse around me somewhere?
Somewhere. I don't know. I know. It's just the wind.
Is there something?
It's Wowie.
Hey. That feel good. That feel good? Look at it.